Morning, all of you. Good morning, all of you. Last class we discussed the lesson wise and the question paper analysis. Question paper analysis we discussed. Today we discuss the first lesson of the civics second day. The total lessons the civics second day 13 lessons. The first lesson is the Indian Constitution of India. Indian Constitution of India is the first lesson. You know, last thing you know who is the father of the political science? You know, all of you. Who is the father of science in political? Who is the father of the political science? You know, all of you. Yeah. Yes. The father of the political science is called the Aristotle. Aristotle is the father of the political science. Father of the political science. The Aristotle is called to the people. The man is a social animal. You know, the last in, first lesson, Aristotle, they says the man is a social animal and the man is the political animal. Political man. Man is a political man. You know, all of you. Okay. Today we will discuss the what is the constitution. What is the constitution? The meaning. The constitution means what is the constitution? The constitution means the supreme document of the regulate the relations between the people and the government. The meaning of the constitution, the supreme document, one of the document. This document used to regulate the relationship. The document means regulate the relationship between the people and government. The people and government relationships provided by the constitution. How to develop the people? How to develop the government and the people relationships discussed by the constitution. Okay, what is the meaning of constitution? The supreme document of the relations between the people and government and people relations between divided by the discussed by the constitution. The constitution may be a written document of enacted at the given by the sovereign power of the cases of India. Sovereign power of cases of India. Okay, the constitution may be the written document. The constitution may be written document. Indian constitution written document. Constitution may be written document. Enacted at the sovereign power as the cases of India. Sovereign power cases of India. This is all part to the meaning of the constitution. The supreme document of the regulated relations between the people and government. The constitution describes the people and government differences and the relations discuss the constitution and anyone the written document. The constitution is the written document enacted by the sovereign of the power as the cases of the India is called constitution. The constitution means constitution, the supreme document of the regulatory relations between the people and government. And next point, the constitution may be the written document the elected at the sovereign of the power as the cases of India. Is all called to the meaning of the constitution. The constitution may be the combination of the customs and traditions of the judicial decisions of the legislature as the cases of United Kingdom. The Indian Constitution is the written document. Indian Constitution is called the written document of the Indian Constitution. The another other all countries observe the constitutions. There is no written constitutions in the world. An example, the Britain Constitution. The Britain Constitution is there is no written constitution. This constitution based by the customs and traditions. But the compare the Britain Constitution and Indian Constitution. Indian Constitution is the written constitution, written document. The Britain Constitution is the customs and traditions based by the Constitution. There is no written constitution. There is no written constitution of the Britain Constitution. Britain government. You know, all of you, the Constitution, Indian Constitution has the written constitution. Another one, Britain Constitution is the did not written constitution have to the Britain government. Britain government is based by the customs and traditions. Britain government based by constitution. Britain government based by customs and traditions. There is no written constitution have the Britain. So only India has the biggest constitution and the written document and written constitution have the India. The compared to the other countries not have the written constitution by the Britain government. Britain government have the no constitution as written. Britain, United Kingdom. Britain is the government based by the customs and the tradition based by the administration. Indian government did not based by the traditions and customs. Only based by the Britain, the people and the government different. People and government will different. Based by the constitution. People and the regulating the document of the relations between the people and government. People and government based by written by the Constitution of India. The Britain Constitution only based by the customs and traditions. There is no written constitution have to the Britain. Only India has a other countries some countries have the Britain constitutions. Also, India has a have the written constitution have in India. Okay, all of you. What is the meaning of the constitution means? You know, all of you. You know to are you understand the meaning of the constitution? The constitution, the supreme document of relations between the relations between the people and government. And the constitution may be written document of endorsed by the sovereign power of the as a case of India is called to the meaning of the constitution. The combination of other countries constitution, there is no written constitution. The combination of the customs and traditions, the judicial decisions and judicial decision legislative as the case of United Kingdom, Britain. The based by the customs and traditions only. Only did not have to the Britain Constitution United Kingdom did not have the written document of constitution, only based by the customs and traditions and judicial decisions and legislative acts based by the administration by the Britain Constitution. Only Indian Constitution based by the document of the written document based by the administration by India. Only so many countries have the constitutions. The my Indian Constitution is called to the Length and written constitution. Length and written constitution. Indian constitution names by the length and written constitution, and Indian constitution is called to the rigidity and flexibility constitution. Indian constitution based by the EC and the federal constitution. Indian constitution based by the Republican government constitution. Indian constitution is called to the so many countries and so many members is called to the length and written constitution, biggest constitution of India. Indian constitution is the biggest constitution. Indian constitution is the biggest constitution, and rigidity and flexibility is have to the Indian constitution. There is no rigidity and flexibility have the Britain constitution. Britain constitution is not a written constitution. Only based by the customs and traditions based by the Britain constitution. Indian constitution is the Britain constitution, and the rigidity and flexibility have to the Indian constitution. Okay, understand? Indian constitution based by the Britain and flexibility written and Britain constitution. Rigidity and flexibility is have to the Indian constitution. There is no flexibility and rigidity have to the did not have the Britain constitution. Only based by the Britain is the customs and relations based by the Britain constitution. India, there is no depend upon the customs and traditions. Only have the document based by the constitution and the how to develop the people, how to develop the government, how to develop the other countries, how to develop by the based by the other countries. These are called to the Britain government. Britain government is called to the did not have the written document of the constitution, only based by the customs and traditions. Who have come to the another one come to the administration. Who have come to the another one come to the administration? You follow the customs and traditions. Next one, another one come to the administration. You have to follow the customs and traditions. But India is not followed the customs and traditions. Only followed by the document basis. Only followed by the document based by the followed by the any person came to the administration, you followed by the document. Anyone come to the administration, you followed by the document based administration. Only written document based administration only followed by India. The compared to the Britain administration did not have to follow by the document. They came to administration, he followed by the own administration, own customs and tradition based followed by the administration, followed by the Britain government. There is no use by the Indian government, Indian administrators did not follow by the customs and traditions, only followed by the Britain document based administration, only followed by the Indian constitution. Only followed by the Indian constitution, followed by the only written document based administration, only followed by the Indian constitution. This is how to total administration, how to administrate the central administration, how to administrate the state administration. These are two administrations are including in the Indian constitution. The central administration, administration followed by the written document of the Indian constitution, state administration followed by the written document of the constitution. Same also local administration also followed by the written document of the constitution. Any persons, Indian law, Indian all peoples, all administrators, all employees is followed by the Indian constitution based administration is called to the follow. All of the followed. Indian constitution based follow. for example, all the people, all the Indian peoples are, all the political peoples are, all the employees are followed by the Indian constitution. Indian written document followed by the administration only used by the Indian constitution. New member came to the administration, there is no own ideas followed by the administration in the India, there is no uses. Understand? Who came to the administrator? Who came to the new parties came? Who came to the new political parties came to the powers? Any political parties, any person came to the administration, you must follow by the written document based administration only use. The compared to the other countries in the United Kingdom, Britain is called Britain administration and Indian administration. The compare Indian administration, Indian administrators who came to the new administrator, the come to the administration. You must follow by the written document based administration. Then you go to the United Kingdom. You go to the United Kingdom administrators. You came to who new members came to the administration. You followed own administration and own planning, own new plannings are implementing in administration in the United Kingdom. Because of there is no written constitution in the in Britain Constitution, United Kingdom. So you followed by the new plans, you followed by the new documents in the making. Every person you came to the new person came, you make the customs and traders based on the new plannings in the used by the United Kingdom. Okay, all of you understand? You compare the administrations. One side Indian administration, one side United Kingdom administration. Two governments and two countries administrations in the comparing. You follow. You first one Indian administration. Indian how to administrate India? Every person came to administration. Every person came to administration. You followed the written document only. You followed the written document and embellishment of the sovereign. You came. You new sovereign came. You new sovereign. You political man. You new administrator. New political party members. New members came to the administration. Every person, every political party person, he came to the administration. Indian followed by the written document based administration only. The state level also, central level also followed by the Indian constitution. Only used by the Indian constitution only. Only all administrators, all political thinkers, all political parties, all members use followed by the constitution based administration only, followed by the Indian constitution. Okay, but understand the constitution means the supreme document of India, the supreme document of India, because of relations between the people and government. The constitution based by the people and government, relations based by the constitution making. What? The purpose of constitution, how to develop the people, how to develop the future development, how to develop the future developing in all country better than to the India. This planning implemented by the document based administration. Only all members, any political members came to the administration is followed by the written document based administration only followed. Compared to the Britain Constitution have that there is no written document in written constitution is no in the United Kingdom, Britain, based by the only one this country based by the administration, customs and traditions, and judicial based on judicial decisions and legislative acts. Judicial decision based and legislative act. Okay. Okay. India compared to the compared to the other countries constitutions. So many countries have the constitutions. Only some countries did not have the constitutions. The example for the example for the United Kingdom. Example did not have the constitution have. Only written constitution. Written constitution have the Indian constitution. Written document have in India. Only India have the biggest constitution. Length of written constitution is called the rigidity and flexibility. Rigidity and flexibility have the constitution, Indian constitution. Rigidity, flexibility, changing, sometimes changing. Rigidity and freedom, sometimes rigidity, sometimes flexibility. స్ట్రిక్ట్గా కొన్ని సందర్భాల్లో స్ట్రిక్ట్గా ఉండడానికి, కొన్ని సందర్భాల్లో ఇది ఫ్లెక్సిబిలిటీ చూపించడానికి, అంటే మార్పులు చేర్పులు చేయడానికి అవకాశం ఉండేటువంటి కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్ ఏ కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్ చెప్పొచ్చు అంటే ఇండియన్ కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్. దీస్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ టు ది రిజిడిటీ అండ్ ఫ్లెక్సిబిలిటీ. These are called to the rigidity and flexibility have the constitution. India is there. Rigidity and flexibility in constitution. The United Kingdom, the base by the customs and traditions and the judicial decisions and the legislation have been followed by the constitution. There is no written constitution. India have the written constitution. Written constitution. India written constitution have for India unwritten constitution. England or Britain or United Kingdom is called to the England. Oh, you know all of you. So many times the competitive purpose is asking the bits. So many times competitive purpose of asking the bits. The written constitution is not India is the written constitution. What is the unwritten constitution? So many times asking the competitive purpose bit. Unwritten constitution. What is the unwritten constitution? England and Britain and United Kingdom is called to the unwritten constitution. There is no document and written administration. Only unwritten administration and the customs and tradition and the judicial decisions and the legislature based by the administration only followed by the Britain. Indian constitution written and the England constitution is the unwritten constitution. Okay, all of you, you know. Okay, today the first lesson we discuss the constitution meaning, and you have the written constitution, you have the unwritten constitution. All of you know. You are the India is a written constitution. Britain is a unwritten constitution. So many times asking the two questions is two questions are the competitive purpose. All of you understand? Okay, these are called the first unit. The first unit Indian constitution. Last class we discussed the lesson wise important questions list and lesson wise totally model paper. You know already so many people did not know to the model paper. So many people, so how to calculate the calculate the question paper, which question Taken important question, which question is not to the important and not now to the so many peoples. You guess the easy guess to the last class. I say to you the blueprint of the lesson wise analysis. Which question? This essay questions is located in which lesson? 5 marks questions is located in which lesson? 2 marks questions is located at the which lesson? Easily understand. Last class you listen to, you see to the last class, you listen to the last class you listen. Not easy to understand to that which lesson is very important, which lesson is very unimportant. You easy identify the every student. So all of you follow the first class and all of you follow the second class. Second class is today we will discuss to the first lesson, the Constitution of India. What is the Constitution of India? What is the Constitution? All of you you know. The Constitution means written document. Written document between the people and government. Based by the people and government. How to develop the people and country. How to develop the people. How to develop the country. The plan. The first plan of the document is called to the Constitution. So many countries have the constitution, but compared to the other constitutions and Indian constitution, compare the Indian constitution is the biggest constitution. Indian constitution is rigid and flexibility constitution. Indian constitution is the better than the other constitutions. So many constitutions refer to after written the constitution by the Indian constitution. So rigidity, flexibility, length of constitution is called to Indian constitution. But other countries did not have the constitution. The example, unwritten constitutions. But Indian constitution is called to the written constitution. Written constitution is called to the unwritten constitution. There is no written document of administrations. Who came to the new members came to the administration? You followed the tradition, customs, and the judicial decisions. Okay, India is not followed by the customs and traditions. Only followed by the written document-based administration is followed by the Indian Constitution. Can I, understand all of you? These are called the Constitution. Difference between the written constitution and the difference between the unwritten constitution, you understand. Which better to the which constitution better to the people development use? Which constitution better to the people did not development use? And for example, written constitution is better or unwritten constitution is better? Written constitution is better or unwritten constitution is better? All of you say, anyone? Yes. Written constitution is better because of who came to the administrator. There is no modifications. This followed by the document administration. Document administration. Who came to the administrator? They did not change to the document. Only followed by the document administration. So, unwritten constitution not success because of who came to the administration. The last administration also collapsed. New administration started because of there is no written constitution. Last administration is collapsed. New administration start. Okay, these are new plans start. New administrative plans start. So better than to the unwritten constitution, better than to the written constitution. Unwritten constitution करना है రిటర్న్ కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అనేటువంటి విషయం మనం తెలుసుకున్నాం. ఓకే, ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ లిజన్. నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ you know to the background of Indian constitution. Next class you know to the background of Indian constitution. The main you first you know the first the you know to the this class you know to the constitution meaning. You know, last class you know to the question wise analysis and blueprint lesson wise analysis and the question paper model you know to the last class. Tomorrow you know to the next one the background of Indian constitution also discuss the tomorrow class. So okay na, all of you followed by the class and you carefully listening, the carefully followed by the lessons, you have to get the good marks. Thank you, Ronald.